Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram. है दुख भंजन है साई राम, पतित पावन है तेरा नाम, पतित पावन है साई राम, सबका मालिक तू साई राम, सबका मालिक तू साई राम, साई राम, साई राम, साई राम, साई राम, साई राम, साई राम.
Om Sai Ram. I've shared lots of things with you at many times, lots of important things about Baba, his messages, his teachings. Today what I'm going to speak is something that has been disturbing me, causing unrest inside me. I was not sure I should speak. I was not sure I should say this on a public forum. But my Baba says I'm his voice. If I don't speak and share what Baba shares with me, it will be wrong. So I'm speaking today. Before I share my message with you, let me tell you a little incident from older days, from Baba's days. I'm talking about somebody called Barni Dharanji, who was an author, a journalist, who wrote about lots of religious things, about temples. Once he had gone for a photo shoot, and he was accompanying people from the Mylapore temple of Chennai. He went to meet Sri Rege, Justice Rege, about whom we've all read in the Satcharita also. And as a part of the photo shoot, as a part of the interview, he asked Justice Rege, share with me some beautiful miracles of Baba Sai. To which Justice Rege replied, Barni Dharanji, if you want me to tell you about manifestation of Vibhuti, appearance of little idols, or appearance of the Kumkuma, or miracles like that, let me tell you, my Shirdi Sai Baba did none. The biggest miracle my Baba did was, he touched our lives, he touched our souls, he transformed our personalities, he changed our minds, he wiped away our karmas, he made us better human beings, he brought more light into us, and that for me is the greatest miracle. He manifested nothing. All he did was, with a beautiful smile, with a glance, with a word, with a touch, with a beautiful smile, he just changed each of us from within, and that is the greatest miracle. Today, I want to say this to you. We're in the middle of the Kali Yuga, surrounded by so much of negativity. My Baba, your Baba, never did any miracles. He had nothing to prove to anybody, nothing to show. I deeply respect those that do miracles. I don't speak against them. I speak about my Baba. I want to say to you, if you have to focus on miracles, focus on the blessings that your Baba has given in your life. For every moment we breathe is a miracle. Every blessing we receive from him is a miracle. I don't know why this happens with me. Maybe because he wants me to see, because he wants to show them to me. But all those that I have believed can do miracles, all those that I believe have blessings of Baba, so there are miracles, have all broken my heart somewhere. When I go with blinded faith, I see the miracle. When I go with open eyes, wanting to know, when my Baba wants me to know something, very different things appear before me. And I realize nothing is actually happening. It is only being shown to us. It is only being shown for personal reasons, for personal gain. It is not happening. If my Baba had to do it, he would have done it in Shirdi, wouldn't he? Then why today after 100 years will he do it? If you really have to look for miracles, don't run here and there for petty little things. Those little things don't even matter. What difference will they make in your life? If somewhere something is manifesting or happening, how does it touch your life? Please tell me. How does it make a difference to you? What makes a difference to you is, do you love your Baba? Do you trust your Baba? Do you live by his teachings? Are you a good human being? That is what makes a difference. that existence of Baba inside us, that Sai consciousness, which I call it, which is inside us, that Sai awareness which makes us better people, which is inside us, that is a miracle of Baba. Please stop running here and there. You're getting used by people who want to use you, and it is heartbreaking for me to see it happen to you. We don't need any of that. If you want to respect people, respect them for their goodness, respect them for their love for Baba. I appreciate that. Don't look for petty little things here and there. They really don't matter. Remember, your Baba matters. I'm speaking today because I don't know why, but he has been showing me one after the other, one after the other. I don't know why these things appeared before me. Maybe because he wanted me to speak. I was shocked. Let me tell you, I have cried. I have cried nights and nights after seeing things that I believed were happening and realized, oh my God, nothing is happening actually. It is just being shown to us. I am heartbroken. I cannot let your hearts be broken. Believe in only one miracle, the miracle called Shirdi Sai Baba, who is the biggest blessing of our life. Please don't run here and there in little things, they don't matter. Just seek his blessings. The Udi we get from Shirdi or from the temples is enough for us. The blessing we get of Baba is enough for us. Don't look for small things. When you close your eyes and feed Baba, he eats. When you love Baba, he responds. It does not have to become visible for you to believe it has happened. Don't look for visible petty signs of his love and his existence. In Shirdi, nobody looked for it. Why are we looking for it today after 100 years? Please let that consciousness of Sai grow inside you. Let that responsibility of Sai grow inside you. If you don't understand, the whole generation will be misled. Stop looking for all this. Just look for one miracle. Call my Baba Sai, your Baba Sai. Take his name Sai Sai, cleanse away every bad karma, for that is truth. His existence is truth, his love is truth, his blessing is truth, and that is the only truth of our lives. Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram.